What's up, y'all? What's poppin'? This D. About to react to this video by Teapot. This is NIKOCADO Avocado versus other mukbangers. So this is him getting into it with other mukbangers or what? Like, I know a few people he got into it with, but you know, not to make a whole compilation over. Like, I don't know what's going on, but sure, we're about to see what's what. Yeah, this is the most recent one. Oh, this is him in comparison to other mukbangers. He's not actually, you know, having feuds with them. I didn't know what to expect though, because he always does some drama. So when I see verses, I'm automatically thinking drama. You know, him talking shit about them or something. But no, this is him in comparison to them. Why y'all set me up like this? I thought it was about to be about some drama. You smashing this cheese into your face for what? I don't. I've been avoiding his antics for a while now, you know, on purpose. But it might trick me into it. I mean, it's still nasty too, but it ain't as bad as NIKOCADO. Who does that though? Put their burgers in nacho cheese? That's nasty.
No more Applebee's.
I mean, I feel you because Applebee's is nasty, but you ain't gotta do all that. Applebee's is trash. Taco Bell is trash too. I don't like a lot of fast food. When I eat terrible, I go to like restaurants and get food to go. Cause this fast food be tragic. Ew.
Let's just do a whole dunk. Oh, yeah.
You set me up. Person who requested this video, I'm gonna go back and look at who you are. I'm always remember that you set me up.
Disgusting!
It's so hot, guys.
I hate Alfredo sauce. You doing it too, sis?
Those onions should be good.
Okay, it's not that bad. This ain't all over her mouth. Okay, she cleaned it up nice. But, oh.
Guys, this thing is so delicious.
Girl, you's a lie, first of all. Chicken
This thing is so hot.
and Alfredo sauce. That sounds disgusting. What do y'all be eating and why? Damn, she got a lot of food. Look at that little bear chilling in the back. What is happening here? This scene is weird. Really? I'm not satisfied. Rice cake milk. Ew! He eating all out your mouth? Ew!
Noodle. Say noodle.
This is kind of cute, low key. But it's nasty. It's still nasty. That is so weird.
This fight has like a pound
Is
of
this
cheese on
ziti?
it.
What are those little things on the side? They look like, I ain't gonna say. This looks gross.
The most excited I've ever been to see someone.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow. I am disgusted.
I think that's good for now.
Girl, that's nasty too. This is real life fat
This is
people
so cheesy,
shit.
guys.
You bring your McDonald's fries home and then souping them up with other shit. Like, that's crazy.
A fry won't survive.
No. I hate Alfredo sauce. Okay, it wasn't too bad. But some of these people be gross and be dripping all over their mouth. Good job, girl. She's eating like a normal person. No whiteness all on your mouth. This little bird. Why you can't get it yourself? Why you getting it on my mouth? Like, get it off of the plate, weirdo. He really needs help, bro. Listen, I've been avoiding him for a reason. I thought this was about to be like a drama type video. I didn't even pay attention to the thumbnail. I just like looked it up. Oh yeah, NIKOCADO AVOCADO versus other mukbangers. Oh, just part 2. He must have beef with a whole bunch of niggas. Let's see what's happening. And lo and behold, it's versus like in comparison, and he don't fuck shit as usual. Sure. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about the video though. Let me know what other videos you want me to react to, and I'll see you in the next one.